I'm just outside of the hamfest. Look at this. So they're using a drone. They're probably filming it. I bought a cheap one that never did that. And there's a lot of people here.
Try and buy some solar panels. Figuring spending about $150.
We have another door prize winning ticket. Ticket number 272715. Winning ticket number 272715.
Close.
Winning ticket
Oh.
number 272866. Ticket number 272866. We're also calling ticket number 272866.
That's pretty close. Are these different? Oh wow. Eight, 7, 8. Wow, off by one number.
You can sell them online, but you can only sell them to
All the oscilloscopes you can handle.
Vamos a ver acá un guarachillo.
Ándale pues.
Tickets are 1 for 5, 5 for 20, 50.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good?
Good. I heard you guys talking this morning
Oh, did you?
on my 705. As soon as I walked away, I saw the guy counting his money. I was like, he's probably coming back.
Told you he was
You
going
want,
to.
you want to be on YouTube?
Right now? I'm already on YouTube.
I'm just doing a walkthrough.
I have a video that has 10 million views.
I just bought a 1200 for $600 and I was kind of nervous. I took it out to the truck.
Is that the
And,
thing that was leaking fluid everywhere?
oh, I took that too.
I see that.
No, I bought a 1200 from the club.
1200?
A Yaesu.
Oh, 1.2?
No, a Yaesu FTDX 1200.
don't think I've seen one of those.
It's big, like a 3,000. I thought it was a 3,000. They wanted $800 for it.
I'll see you later. Yeah. Let me know how that works in your home.
We pause it.